So basically, Baku is this sort of crescent bay overlooking the island of Ziwa, the island that we are planning, almost like the diagram of their flag. And our main idea was to sort of sample the 7 most significant mountains of the topography of Azerbaijan and reinterpret them into sort of urban and architectural structures inhabitable of human life. Then we placed these mountains on the island, surrounding this sort of central green valley, almost like a central park. And what makes it interesting is that the island right now is just a piece of desert. It has no vegetation, it has no water, it has no energy, no resources. So we actually sort of designed the entire island as a single ecosystem, exploiting wind energy to drive the desalination plants and to use the thermal properties of water to heat and cool the buildings. And all this sort of excess fresh water, wastewater is filtered organically into the landscape, gradually transforming the desert island into sort of a green, lush landscape. So you can say where an urban development normally happens at the expense of nature. In this case, it's actually creating nature. And the buildings, they don't only sort of invoke the imagery of the mountains, they also operate like mountains. They sort of create shelter from the wind, they accumulate the solar energy, they accumulate the water. So they actually transform the entire island into a single ecosystem. So we recently presented the master plan. It has gotten approved, and this summer we are starting the construction documents of the 2 first mountains in what's going to be the first carbon neutral island in Central Asia.